Hey, I recently purchased this Alamo watch. And if you don't believe me, here it is. See? I bought it from the souvenir gift shop, and it requires the LR66 battery for the replacement, and I have no idea where to find one. Let alone find out how to open this dang thing so I can change the battery myself and save a couple dollars, but this is not cheap. Well, the repair cost is not going to be cheap, but I did not find any battery open inlet, and I think if I show you where I think it's at, and you might be able to see where it's at. Right behind the huge tower thing. See that? Come on, lens, focus. Right there. Right there behind it. I think that's where you slip in the flathead screwdriver and prop the pocket watch open, revealing the interior on the inside. Unless you know something about these watches. But this is not a display button. It's not exactly nice, right? Wrong answer. I read the instructions, right? Or I read how to start it up, but it did not say how to replace the battery and stuff like that. Still, I've been holding on to this and keeping it safe in secrecy. No way do I want to lose this. Anyways, I need to find a compass like this, but in pocket watch form. Because if this is going to be useless, I might as well replace it with something better. A watch and a compass. It's an LR66 battery. It's an LR66 battery. I do not know how to put these things back together again when I open them. Anyways, I better look up a tutorial. Still, have a nice holiday.